If Unreal Engine keeps crashing from the Epic Games launcher, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the issue fast. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution and moving toward the more effective ones if the problem continues. This is a great place to start if your game won't launch, keeps closing, freezes on startup, or shows crash errors through Epic Games launcher. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is restart your PC. It sounds basic, but a full restart can clear temporary glitches, reset background processes, and fix launcher or game conflicts that may be causing Unreal Engine to crash. Once your computer has restarted, open the Epic Games launcher again and try launching the game one more time. If it still crashes, move on to the next step. Now open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that is crashing, click the three dots or the menu next to it and choose Verify Files. This is one of the most important steps because it checks your game installation for missing, broken, or corrupted files. Epic Games will then scan the files and automatically re-download anything that is damaged or missing. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, but it can often fix crash problems right away. After the verification is complete, launch the game again and see if the issue is gone. If Unreal Engine is still crashing, the next thing to try is clearing the Epic Games launcher cache. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and cause the launcher to behave incorrectly or fail to start your game properly. To do this, close the Epic Games launchers completely first. Make sure it is not running in the background and if needed, open Task Manager and end any Epic Games related processes. Then go to the folder where the launcher stores its cache data and look for the Webcache folder. Delete that Webcache folder completely. Don't worry, this is safe to do and the launcher will rebuild it automatically the next time it opens. After deleting the cache, reopen Epic Games Launcher and test the game again. This simple cleanup can fix loading issues, login problems, and crash errors caused by bad cached data. If the game still won't open properly, the final step is to reinstall the game if needed. Sometimes the installation itself is too damaged for a simple file verification to fix it, especially if the crash started after an update or a broken install. To reinstall, uninstall the game from your Epic Games library, then download it again from the launcher and let it install fresh. A clean reinstall can replace any deeply corrupted files and give you a fresh start. It may take longer than the other steps, but it is often the most reliable fix when everything else fails. So to quickly recap, first restart your PC, then verify the game files in Epic Games Launcher, then clear the launcher cache by deleting the Webcache folder, and if necessary, reinstall the game. These steps solve a lot of Unreal Engine crash issues for Epic Games Launcher users without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.